Hey Queens, happy wonderful Wednesday. It's gonna be Wisdom Wednesday. I'm about to drop some stuff that's gonna make you say ouch. On today, it's gonna make you say ouch. So I was watching B Simone. I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw B Simone. It was a video clip of her podcast saying that your healing really takes place when you take accountability for the pain that you caused. Right? Take accountability for the pain that you caused and that you allowed to happen to yourself. Okay? So you have to look yourself in the mirror, get you that mirror and looking at yourself in the mirror and like it's time to do the work. Okay? It's time to do the work. So here we go. I'm gonna ask you to share, give y'all a sneak peek of Reclaiming Your Crown. And it's gonna be chapter 3. That's where I share that in chapter 3. And it's called Unaddressed Baggage. Here we go. Queen, have you been in a relationship that didn't work out and found yourself listing all the things the other person did wrong? All this while feeling as if you presented no problems and they are the only one who was jacked up. Well, Queen, I have news. It takes two for a relationship to go wrong. What I'm saying is that you have a negative impact on a relationship as well. Yes, it was you too. This is something I had to come to terms with myself, and it is a hard thing to swallow. Or you may have thought your ex-husband was the only reason the relationship didn't work. Well, think again. Now, before you go ahead and pull out the target length of all the wrongdoings, I want you to consider something for just a second. Remember the pandemic where people got sick due to COVID? And we kept hearing about how those who had underlying health issues went through it the worst. Let me tell you that there are some underlying issues in relationships too. I call it unaddressed baggage. While at times you may feel like we don't bring anything negative to a relationship, we do unconsciously bring baggage. Baggage is the trauma and negative things that have affected us and influenced our day-to-day choices while also forming the way we communicate and build relationships with people. Though we may not mean to do this, we have been conditioned to do it. The lack of counsel and the creation of unhealthy coping mechanisms lead to not addressing the baggage or getting support for the trauma we have experienced. So I want to share this with you. I too have done this in a marriage. Right now, I want you to take a moment and write down a trauma or negative experiences you have been through and how you feel when you think about those things. I just gave you an assignment to do, okay? If you really want to start healing, I need you to be able to address the stuff that you brought into your relationship. Address the hurt, the pain that you have experienced from childhood or anything else prior to you being with this individual. What are some things that you brought, okay? What are some things that you brought to the relationship, okay? So I gave you a sneak peek, right? I gave you a little bit of Reclaim Your Crown. You're gonna have to get the book to figure out, to get more, the gems. But that's my assignment for you. What are some things that you have brought to the relationship, your marriage? And if you wasn't married, but just in a long-term relationship, what are some things that you brought to the table that wasn't healthy, right? That caused your pain? Because we allow this thing to happen to us, believe it or not. We do. And I say that in full transparency. That was a hard thing for me as well. I had to look, Neff had to look herself in the mirror and like, look, you brought some stuff here too. You brought some stuff too. Yeah, that person did you wrong, but you allowed it. You gave it permission. You gave it permission. So that is my call to action today. I want you to take a moment to address the pain, the trauma, the things that you've been through, okay? That you actually brought to the table as well, because we need some healing to take place, okay? We are in the end of July. We leave in 2025 letting go of some things, and we're not taking none of that crazy baggage that we had was on today and prior. We need to let it go so that we can really start the healing and walk in who we're called to be, okay? I love you, queens. I'm excited about you reclaiming your crown back. This is a movement, okay? Crowned with purpose, okay? Crowned with purpose. So this is a movement. Let's get our crowns back, queens. Love you all. May you all have a blessed day. Oh, also, sorry, before I close out, you can follow me at Neff Wade on Instagram or Facebook at Nefertiti Wade. And as you click it on this video, I have Reclaim Your Crown YouTube page as well. So continue to follow me as I keep on dropping some more wisdom and gems in these videos for you guys. And I'm so grateful for your continued support. Talk to you soon. Later.